नमस्कार लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। एंड यस, टाइटल से आपको पता चला ही होगा कि आज के वीडियो में हम जिक्सर SF250 की पेड सर्विसिंग कवर करने वाले हैं। इसके पहले के जितने भी सर्विसिंग के वीडियो थे वो सब फ्री सर्विसिंग के थे। सो आज के वीडियो में दो ही डिफरेंस रहेंगे, एक तो प्राइसिंग रिलेटेड डिफरेंस एंड सेकंड इज़ मैं डिफरेंट डीलर के पास गया। मैंने आज बाइक सर्विस कराई ड्रीम बाइक्स पुणे से। सो आज के वीडियो में हम पेड सर्विसिंग के प्राइस रिलेटेड कंपोनेंट्स एक्सप्लोर करेंगे and yes, servicing related other stuff we have covered in the previous videos. So I hope you'll enjoy the video, and yes, let's continue to it. So yes, as you guys have seen today, I got my Gixxer service from the Dream Suzuki Pune. So overall my experience was pretty much good. Like, they worked on the bike very professionally. Like, the amount of kind of attention they gave in details, it was quite nice, and the professionalism was through it. So okay, like previous videos, I won't be explaining each and everything details because it will become redundant. So I thought I'll just give you details about pricing. So basically what I'll do, I'll capture a photo of the bill and will show over somewhere here so that you can go through it. You can pause the video, you can see it. And now talking about the costing I got around was 2700 something. So I have my bill with me. So it was around 2789 rupees. So basically yeah, it is little bit what I can say, more than the which I got in previous services. Obviously those were in free services, so labor charges and all those things were not services, and this is a paid service. This was my first paid service, and yeah, like, I got some extra costing because I had to change my air filter because I think I crossed around 10,000 kilometers on the bike. And secondly, I had to change my front brake pads. Those were like dead, so I had to change those, and air filter, brake pads, those were the major things I changed in this servicing. So yeah, they didn't cost much to me. Like, if you can say, air filter costed around 150 rupees, and front pad sets were about 275 rupees. Okay, so that was the main additional part I had to pay here. Otherwise, like, it seems okay. Like, the kind of work they did to the bike was pretty much satisfying, so I didn't feel much worried about the what cost I paid. So yeah, overall I will recommend these guys to you. Like, if you have some Suzuki bike like Gixxer 150 or 250s, you can take them to these service centers, and yeah, they will work very professionally. So stay tuned to the channel. If you like the content, do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let's meet in another video. Till then, bye.